UFO hotspots, alien portals and AMP, nature's strangest phenomena that science can't explain. Welcome to a journey across Earth where unidentified flying object, UFO, encounters, alien legends, and nature's most baffling phenomena collide. From secret military bases to rivers that boil, today, we're counting down 18 locations that defy science and logic. Stay till the end as we unveil mysteries that even the world's top scientists can't explain. Number 1. Roswell, New Mexico, USA. In 1947, a mysterious object crashed on a ranch near Roswell, sparking the most iconic UFO incident in history. Initially reported as a flying disc by the military, the story was quickly retracted, claiming it was merely a weather balloon. However, decades of leaked documents, witness testimonies, and secretive military behavior have kept the Roswell UFO crash firmly in the spotlight. Annual festivals and museums celebrate the mystery, but was it a cover-up of alien contact? Number 2. Area 51, Nevada, USA. Nestled deep within the Nevada desert, Area 51 is perhaps the most famous secret military installation in the world. Officially known for testing experimental aircraft, the base has been at the center of UFO conspiracy theories for decades. Whistleblowers and insiders have claimed the base houses crashed alien spacecraft, advanced reverse-engineered technology, and even extraterrestrial life forms. Despite countless denials by the US government, satellite images and strange sightings around the base continue to fuel speculations. What exactly is hidden behind its heavily guarded fences? Number 3. The Bermuda Triangle, Atlantic Ocean. Stretching between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, this region has a reputation for swallowing ships and aircraft without a trace. From the disappearance of Flight 19 in 1945 to countless other vanishings, theories range from magnetic anomalies and methane gas eruptions to alien abductions and interdimensional portals. Despite scientific studies offering rational explanations, many incidents remain unexplained. Number 4. The Devil's Triangle, Dragon's Triangle, near Japan. Located off the coast of Japan, this area mirrors the Bermuda Triangle's eerie reputation. Japanese fishermen have long reported vanishing vessels, strange whirlpools, and glowing lights beneath the ocean. Legends speak of sea dragons and underwater UFO bases. The Japanese government has even designated parts of the area as dangerous due to the high number of unexplained incidents. Number 5. Skinwalker Ranch, Utah, USA. This remote ranch in Utah is a magnet for high strangeness. Known for its bizarre tales of shape-shifting creatures, skinwalkers, mysterious animal mutilations, and inexplicable aerial phenomena, the ranch has been the subject of multiple scientific investigations. Researchers have recorded electromagnetic anomalies, unexplained radiation bursts, and sightings of entities that defy biological understanding. Number 6. Nazca Lines, Peru. Spread across the Nazca Desert are enormous geoglyphs of animals, plants, and geometric shapes that are only fully visible from the air. Theories suggest these were made as offerings to sky gods or even ancient landing sites for extraterrestrial visitors. How did the ancient Nazca civilization achieve such precision without aerial technology? The mystery remains unsolved. If you find this video insightful, please click the subscribe, like, and share buttons. Number 7. Wikliffe Well, Australia. Often referred to as the UFO capital of Australia, this small settlement sees regular reports of strange lights and saucer-shaped crafts. Travelers along the Stuart Highway frequently recount close encounters, and the town embraces its extraterrestrial fame with alien-themed accommodations and attractions. Number 8. Val de la Luna, Moon Valley, Chile. This desolate and surreal landscape in Chile's Atacama Desert is often compared to the surface of the Moon or Mars. Its extreme silence and otherworldly rock formations have made it a popular spot for UFO sightings. Some believe the valley serves as a natural antenna, attracting signals and visits from beyond our planet. Number 9. UFO Trail, Bonnybridge, Scotland. Bonnybridge, a small town in Scotland, reports hundreds of UFO sightings each year. Dubbed Scotland's UFO capital, locals and visitors frequently witness strange flying objects and lights in the sky. The phenomenon has attracted international media, UFO enthusiasts, and even parliamentary attention. Number 10. Door to Hell, Turkmenistan. The Darvaza gas crater, known as the Door to Hell, has been burning continuously since 1971. Soviet geologists accidentally created the crater while drilling for natural gas, and set it alight to prevent the spread of methane. Decades later, the fiery pit is still ablaze, drawing tourists and fueling theories about a literal gateway to the underworld. Number 11. Lake Natron, Tanzania. This alkaline salt lake in northern Tanzania turns animals into calcified statues. The water's extreme alkalinity can reach a pH of 10.5, enough to burn human skin. Birds and other animals that come into contact with the lake's surface are often preserved in eerie, mummified forms. Number 12. Devil's Kettle Waterfall, USA. Located in Minnesota's Judge C.R. Magny State Park, the Devil's Kettle is a waterfall where half of the river's water disappears into a bottomless pothole. Scientists have conducted dye tests and even GPS tracking, but the exact path of the disappearing water remains a mystery. If you find this video insightful, please click the subscribe, like, and share buttons. Number 13. Hestan Valley Lights, Norway. For over 80 years, mysterious lights have floated, darted, and pulsed across this remote Norwegian valley. Despite extensive scientific monitoring, including radar and spectrometry, their origin remains elusive. Some theories suggest plasma formations or even extraterrestrial surveillance. Number 14. Sailing Stones of Racetrack Playa, Death Valley, USA. For decades, massive stones have been found with long trails behind them, as if they moved by themselves across the dry lakebed. Recent studies discovered that thin layers of ice and wind create just the right conditions for the rocks to slide, but for many, the mystery adds to Death Valley's eerie reputation. Number 15. Blood Falls, Antarctica. Emerging from Taylor Glacier, Blood Falls is a stream of deep red water flowing into the icy landscape. The crimson color is due to iron oxide, but the fall's eerie appearance has inspired myths of subterranean life forms and ancient trapped ecosystems hidden beneath the ice. Number 16. Magnetic Hill, India and Canada. These hills create the illusion that vehicles roll uphill against gravity. Though it's a simple optical illusion caused by the surrounding landscape, local folklore often attributes these phenomena to mystical forces and magnetic anomalies. Number 17. The Boiling River, Peru. Hidden deep in the Amazon rainforest, the Shanay Timpishka is a river that boils at temperatures up to 93 degrees Celsius, 200 degrees Fahrenheit. It's not volcanic in origin, making its intense heat a geological mystery. Indigenous legends tell of a powerful serpent spirit protecting the river. Number 18. The Eternal Flame Falls, USA. Tucked behind a small waterfall in New York's Chestnut Ridge Park is a natural gas seep that keeps a small flame perpetually burning. The juxtaposition of fire and water has made this a symbolic site for nature's hidden power. To wrap it up, our planet holds secrets that challenge the boundaries of science and fuel legends passed down for generations. Are these places remnants of ancient technology, alien visitors, or simply Earth's untamed mysteries? Let us know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more explorations into the unknown. Thank you for watching till the end.